Before the break, I entered the kitchen of renowned chef Uni Krishnan from Thrissur in Kerala to help him prepare the grand Onam Sadhya, a vegetarian feast of about 25 dishes. Now, the entire feast was ready, and I was equally prepared to sample it. So, sir, how do I start this elaborate meal?
Yeah. This is corn.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a
beans.
Pachadi.
Oh, that's the banana pachadi.
Yeah, it's a banana.
Okay.
It's a cucumber pachadi.
Cucumber pachadi.
Yeah, it's avial.
Avial.
Yeah, ola.
Ola. Now this is the white pumpkin.
White pumpkin with the coconut oil.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a khichdi.
Khichdi. Okay.
Yeah, it's a yam.
Okay.
That is a elchiri.
Okay.
That's a dahi paripu and
Okay.
banana. It's
Okay.
called sharkara variety.
Okay.
It's banana chips.
Okay.
It's a chena dry fry.
All right.
It's a paprika fry. It's a mango pickle. It's naringa pickle. Inji puli. Inji thai.
Phew. That's a lot.
Yes.
So now there's a very specific order to this, right? How do I start the meal? What's the first thing I should eat?
First is the rice with the ghee paripu.
With the neighbor.
Yes.
Okay. Super. Thank you so much. So I've made it a point to follow a very specific order, starting with the nei perappu and rice. It looks like there's quite a bit of ghee in there. But before anything, a welcome drink, a nice cool glass of buttermilk. This is actually quite nice coming out of the hot Chennai sun to have a nice cold glass of anything. And now we see how the nei perappu tastes. It's a very light taste. You can taste a lot of ghee. It's very rich still. Well, now it's time for our second course of flavors. So we're done with the nei perappu. I'm starting on the sambar. Now, with the sambar, I can also try a few of the side dishes. Yum. Yeah, that is sambar. And now one thing that chef told me is this over here, the white pumpkin, actually acts as a sort of palate refresher in between dishes. So you can have a little nibble on it. It cleanses the palate and prepares your taste buds for the flavors to come. Now we're trying the erasuri. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Okay, so we're gonna bring down the heat levels a little bit. Going on to the next course of action. A little bit of rice with some more goromba on the side. So with the more korma and rice, we will try the thoran, the beans. Again, a lot of coconut has been used here. It's been grated, freshly grated coconut. spicy, but the heat is cooled off by the more koromba, so it's a good balance. Well, we're at the end of the meal, and I am digesting that very heavy meal with some medicinal water. And the paisam now, like the main course, also follows a very specific order. And if you remember, this is the paisam that we made earlier in the morning. Now this is called para pradaman, and you are traditionally supposed to start with this paisam. I think what really gives this its distinct flavor is the crunchy bursts of coconut in between. So, paisam number 2.